Two-factor authentication 2FA is an essential security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your Fortnite account. By enabling 2FA, you ensure that even if someone gains access to your password, they will need a second form of verification to log into your account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to enable 2FA for Fortnite. Why enable 2FA for Fortnite? Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why enabling 2FA is beneficial. Enhanced security protects your account from unauthorized access. Exclusive in-game rewards unlock special features and rewards such as the Boogie Down emote. Peace of mind adds a layer of security to your in-game game purchases and progress. Step-by-step guide to enable 2FA. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Go to the Epic Games website. Click on the sign-in button located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials, email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, hover over your username at the top right corner. Click on account from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, select password security. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication in the password security section. You will see 3 2FA options: Authenticator app. Use an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. See SMS authentication. Receive verification codes via SMS. Email authentication. Receive verification codes via email. Option 1. Authenticator app. Click on Enable Authenticator app. Download an Authenticator app on your mobile device if you don't already have one. Open the app and scan the QR code displayed on the Epic Games website. Enter the verification code generated by the Authenticator app into the website. Click Activate to enable 2FA with the Authenticator app.